Welcome to free ICT Tutorials Tamil. Meet you again in this lesson, Pascal Part 6. In this tutorial, we will study about how to write a Pascal program, how to compile and run it, how to get output, and difference between write and write-ln. Let's go to the lesson. First, Pascal program output. Welcome to Pascal program. This is the interface of Pascal. Here I will write instructions to execute. Let's see how to write program instructions. This is a cursor point in Pascal program is blinking. Begin. Every Pascal program must start the keyword begin. Here we have to write just a text message. So I want to write a command to get text output. That's the keyword write. Then start bracket. After put single quote. Then write the text. Welcome to Pascal program. Again close with single quote. Then put the end bracket also. Right. In Pascal, every statement must be closed in the semicolons. This is one of the statement. So, end of this statement, I want to put the semicolon. Must remind every statement must be closed with the symbol semicolon. Every statement output text must be between single quotation, not double quotation. Then I have to finish this instruction. So put the word end. Then put the dot. Don't forget to put this dot. That's full stop. Now I finish my work. Then I want to get the output. The computer understand only zeros and ones. Binary language or machine language or low level language. So we have to change these words to binary form. So we must want to compile these instructions. Click the tab compile. Again click this compile. If not, shortcut of the compilation Alt plus F9 function key 9. Here I didn't serve these instructions. Serve as dialog box. Ask to serve the program. So we want to serve this program first. Here want to put the file name. This is our first program. So I give the name PAS Pro 1. Here no need to put the Pascal programming extension .pas. Enough to put the file name only. Then click the button OK. Now this file is converted to binary format without any errors. You can get the message compile successful. That means all instructions are successfully converted to binary form without any errors. Now you can press any key of your keyboard. Right. Now want to see the output. So run the program. Click the tab run. Again click this option run. Or Control plus F9. That's the shortcut of run. Here immediately disappeared one black color screen, that is output screen. But we need to see the output screen manually. So click the tab debug. Click on the output. Look the last line. That's the output of this program. These are the previous sections. But you look here the last line. That's the output. Right. Now I will put multiple text statements in Pascal. This is the output. Here 2 lines are available. Welcome to Pascal program. Second line, hi, hello everybody. Let's go to write the instructions. The same way, write is the keyword of output. Then put the start bracket, single quote. Then write the statement. Again put the single quote with end bracket. Finally put the semicolon. I finished the work. Now I want to save the changes. So go to File tab, then select the option Save. Right, again I want to compile. Here compile successful, so want to press any key. After click the tab Run, then select again this option Run. Right, again I want to the output screen manually, so I click the debug tab, then select the option Output. Here output shown correctly, but here two statements in one line, but we need the output in two lines. So we change small correction. In first line, write ln. Already we put write. Now want to add ln in next line. When you have write ln, the output will be printed. At the same time, after the first line, the cursor will be moved to second line. That's why the second line printed in the next line. Right, now I compile again. Compile successful, so press any key. After I want to run. Right, now go to the tab debug, then choose the option output. Look here, there are two lines. Welcome to Pascal program. Hi, hello everybody. Write and write ln, both functions are used for output. I hope you all understood how to write a program in Pascal and how to compile and how to run the instructions, how to get the output screen, and how to get the output in multiple lines. Right, meet you again in next lesson. Thanks for watching.